Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini in Chrome. First, ensure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. Next, confirm you are signed in with a Google account that includes a Gemini subscription. You can then easily access Gemini directly from the Chrome toolbar or by using a simple keyboard shortcut. This integration brings powerful AI assistance right into your browsing experience, making tasks much more efficient. To enable Gemini, open your Chrome settings by clicking the three-dot menu icon. From there, find the AI Innovations section in the left panel. You'll see an option for Gemini in Chrome. Simply toggle this setting on. After enabling, restart your browser. You should then see a star-shaped Gemini icon in your Chrome toolbar, ready for use. This quick setup gets you ready to leverage AI assistance. Once Gemini is enabled, click its icon in the toolbar to open a convenient side panel. Here, you can ask Gemini to perform various tasks, such as summarizing lengthy articles or clarifying complex topics. It can even help you draft emails or social media posts. A key feature is its page-aware assistance, which uses the context of your open tabs to provide highly relevant answers and insights without switching windows. For even faster access, remember the keyboard shortcuts, Alt+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. You can also manage your Gemini chat history and adjust privacy settings within the AI Innovations section of Chrome settings. This allows you to customize how Gemini interacts with your browsing. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home tech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.